Okay, good day to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. My name is Gian Jolama Bonifacio. I'm 35 years old. I live in North Cotabato. I'm married. I have two children. My daughter, 14 years old. My son is 3 years old.
Okay, yes. So do you have any work experience in abroad?
No, ma'am.
What about here in Philippines? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then how long years you been here work in Philippines?
5 years, ma'am.
5 years already, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So that yes. So housemaid.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then can you tell me what is your duties in your employer house?
My duties work in my employers is washing,
Mm-hmm.
cleaning,
Mm-hmm.
take care the baby,
Mm-hmm.
and then more the take care the pets.
Okay, so they have a pets,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So here in Philippines.
Yes, ma'am. Cat,
Oh, cats and
dog.
that your employer that is Filipino?
No, ma'am.
What they
My employer is Chinese
are
also.
Chinese.
Yes, ma'am.
So okay. So how many members in that family?
Have four, ma'am.
4 members. Then
Yes,
how many
ma'am.
helper they have?
Daughter,
How many helper?
have two.
Two helper. Okay. So you assign for look after the children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you're doing cooking?
Little bit, ma'am. That
Mm-hmm.
it's not not hard the cooking.
Okay, so just basic,
Yes,
right?
the basic
Oh, I
cooking, the
see.
Chinese.
So then, are you capable to taking care a newborn or young children?
Young children, ma'am.
Okay, so you don't have experience a newborn, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So are you capable to taking care a newborn or young children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Okay, then can you tell me how the way you taking care a newborn or young children?
If I take her the newborn baby, always check the diaper or what
Mm-hmm.
else the baby's needed. If she's hungry or he.
Yes, baby is very careful. You have to very
Yes.
sensitive to look after the, especially the newborn.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have really very careful and you have to really pay attention every now and then.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for example, if the baby is crying and crying, so what will you do?
If the baby's crying, I check always diaper or
Mm-hmm.
check if she's hungry,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, I do my best if I see what she want or he
Mm-hmm.
want what he want, like that.
Okay. Yes, maybe if that's still crying, so maybe you check the
Temperature.
okay body temperature,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
And you have yes. If the baby get fever, so what will you do?
If the baby fever, I call the parents
Mm-hmm.
also, or I do the best. I call the emergency, like
Yes,
that.
you have to give a first aid also. If
Yes,
they
first
get high fever, so you have to give a first aid like
the
uh
fever in the head.
yes, pull
Hot water.
the wet towel on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
forehead or cooling fad if
Yes,
that
ma'am.
needed, or you rush to the hospital if necessary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you sing a song on nursery rhymes?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Okay, thank you very much about that. Okay, then why you want to go to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my future children, to earn more money to build my own house also.
Oh, okay. Yes, for the future. Of course,
Yes,
we are a
ma'am.
mother. We have to prioritize about the future of our children,
Yes,
especially
ma'am.
when it goes to university. And of course, save money for the future.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then, if you luckily hired in Hong Kong, do you have any message to your future employer?
If I go to the Hong Kong, I message my future employer. I do my best, ma'am, to work hard.
Yes, and to promise that you finish your 2 years
Yes, I
contract.
finished the contract and
Yeah,
also more contract.
yes, and was that they have a stay long years in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of course, in Hong Kong, they have holidays every week. So that if your employer requests not Saturday or Sunday, are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Are you willing
Okay.
that no holidays?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
And Of course, they give you a money back for overtime pay so you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and to promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
No, ma'am.
Yes, and to promise that you cannot involve in ibang finance in Hong
Yes.
Kong.
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. And to promise that you finish your 2 years contract or more.
Yes, ma'am. I do.
And to promise that you cannot use your mobile phone while you're working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you.